that is the examination and everything. And he's going for training when
27th of September.
27 is in Chennai for his training.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Harsh Verma and I've recently got recommended from 19 SSB Allahabad for SSC Technical. So I took my coaching here only and the journey had been great for me. This was the technical entry, so the engineering, I have done my engineering and after that this was the direct SSB entry, SSC Technical branch. So whatever questions you would like to know, or shall I describe my SSB process to you? So my SSB, as you all know the structure, basic structure of SSB, it consists of 5 days and the first day will be a screening process. So screening, the total number of strength which reported for my SSB was 250 people. Out of that 29 got screened and 2 got recommended finally from the board. So the process is kind of tough, but if you are prepared for it, then no one can stop you from getting recommended. They'll judge you by your walk, how you talk, how you sit, how you stand. That way they'll judge you that you've been prepared. Are you passionate to join army, or you've just come here for just seeing what is the process like, and then you'll come again next time fully prepared. So you'll be judged that time only. As soon as you open your mouth, you'll be judged that time. And the process was fairly simple. Everything was taught here. Firstly, it will be OIR test, Officers Intelligence Rating Test, in which there will be verbal and non-verbal questions. And the time limit was 17 minutes. You have to do 40 questions. So for 17 minutes for verbal and 17 minutes for non-verbal questions. Then comes your PPDT, Picture Perception and Description Test, in which there was one picture shown for 30 seconds and you've got 5 minutes, out of which 1 minute is given to structure who is the hero of your story, theme, and how many people have you seen in that picture, and 4 minutes to write a story on it. The story, according to me, should be a positive story. Anything which you perceive there, even if 2 guys are fighting in the picture, you can write something about self-defense. The other guy is showing that you have to learn, you have to see self-defense, you have to learn self-defense and inculcate that habit and try to teach to other people. So this kind of story, you should not write that they both are fighting or quarreling on some particular topic and then one guy has appeared as a winner. So these kind of things, these kind of things you should avoid, because you have to write a positive story in it. So in my story, there was a girl, roughly around 8 to 9 years old, and she was sitting like this, and there was one table. So you can write anything, like people had written that there was a piano, she's doing a piano practice session for her upcoming event, or I had written that there was a PC, personal computer, and she had one doubt. So she was solving that doubt. She had to, otherwise have to go tomorrow in the school and then ask her teacher how's to be solved and everything. But then she used the she acquired the usefulness of internet. And through internet she had, solved her doubt. And after that, she also encouraged her friends to inculcate this habit and have a proper usage of internet. Should not waste time there. Have a proper use there of internet, and then you can solve your doubts, or even you can do some extra studies, have some extra things, explore the world through the way of internet, have a global village. So this kind of thing I wrote there, and my story was a bit different. People were mostly writing about piano classes, the piano was not working, and then he just tried to solve that issue, something, but my narration was completely different. But then the screening part, the main thing is narration. 90% of your screen and the basis of your screen and screen out is based on your narration. How well you narrate in those 1 minute. So the narration plays an important part there. So for narration, as soon as you write your picture perception story, after that you have to go out and you have to come in the batches of 20 each. So freshers first, then street house, and then repeaters. So that period which you get when you move out of the auditorium, and then people generally waste their time by asking their other friends, what have you written here? What have you written? So they try to correlate, like my story is completely different or is it matching with other friends? But then you should not do that. You should just go to some secular place somewhere, and then you should try to rehearse whatever you've written, so that you don't get stuck up in the narration. Because even if you do some kind of stuck up like and or looking here or there or stopping in between the narration, he'll just directly say next. Next means you're there and then screened out, irrespective of however you performed well or not in the OIR test. So he should not say next. You have to complete your narration in, I would say, 40 to 50 seconds and say thank you. If you've said thank you and you've narrated well, then nobody can stop you to get screened. Screen is a fairly easy process provided your narration is good. So narration plays an important part. Try to rehearse your story at least 30 to 40 times before going to the auditorium. Till the time you are confident that narration, I'll kill it there. Till that time you have to prepare for narration, then sit confidently, relax and narrate your story well without getting stuck up anywhere. Then comes your group discussion in which the IO or the GTO will say that you have to come to a common story based on their PPDT story. So in that, try to put up your point, like my story has so many positive points or the majority of the people have this many common points in between us. So I think this should be the common story. Try to speak up at least 3-4 times so that you emerge as a leader there. And if you are emerge as a leader there, then you will be elected as a leader and then you have to narrate a common story. In that common story, you should not narrate your story. And in that, whatever points have been come up in the group discussion, you should inculcate that points in the common story and then narrate it there. That if you are the leader, 99% will get screened in. Otherwise, it is narration. OIR test plays an important role, but it is more or less same. The rating will be same to everyone in the batch because it is fairly easy. Like the series question will be like 2, 4, 6, the next number will be bottom. So how can anyone be wrong there? So it is more or less on the same level. It is the PPDT and the narration specifically.